Hey guys, how's it going? How to receive money on Zelle. So basically, open the app and then log into your account. Basically, what you're gonna do, you're gonna check for payments. Go to the Zelle section and view incoming payments. Receive funds. The money will be automatically deposited into your linked bank account. You will receive a notification when the funds are available. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.